What's up, YouTube? So yeah, we're here with yet another video. So today we got two header jobs going on in the shop. So two S550s.
And it's another banger.
And then I got a RS, a boosted RS, I should say. I have a boosted RS coming in for calipers. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to it. I'm gonna take some speed. I'm gonna let y'all hear the exhaust on the before. I'm not gonna do an in-depth video because I already have a video on my page. I'm gonna let y'all get a exhaust flip. This is the Camaro that we have right now. It's getting blue caliper paint today, so go ahead and get that done. And I ain't gonna say too much about the car, but I will let y'all hear it start up once we finish. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this. That's what we're looking like right now. I'm gonna do the spark plugs on it as well, and then once I do the spark plugs, I'll get it pulled out. Yeah, I can see what it's looking like. So yeah, we're really putting in that work out here. You already know what's going on.
That's for sure. We won't fall out about shit.
Alright, so we finished with this car right here. Finished with this Roush. Go ahead and get the outrock moved out. Get the outrock, get the Roush drop down. And then go from there.